In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your photo into Polaroid style with Gemini. We're turning a regular photo into a nostalgic Polaroid look using Gemini's built-in image creation tools. Start by opening your Gemini account and signing in so you're ready to upload. Make sure you have the photo you want to transform handy on your device. For the best results, pick a clear, well-lit image where faces are visible and not heavily filtered. On the main screen, click the plus icon to begin. This opens your file picker. Navigate to the image you want, select it, and confirm. Give it a moment to upload. If you have multiple versions of a photo, choose the one with the cleanest framing. It helps the final look feel more authentic. Next, select Tools. From there, choose Create Image. This tells Gemini that you want to generate a new visual based on your uploaded photo and a prompt. You'll see a space to enter instructions. This is where the magic happens. In the prompt field, you can type or paste your instructions. You can copy the full prompt from the description below if that's easier. Here's what to include. Ask for the image to look like it was taken with a Polaroid camera. Specify that it should feel like a normal snapshot without a clear subject or any added props. Request a slight, natural blur and a consistent light source. Think a flash in a dark room, with the light spreading evenly across the photo. Make it clear that faces should not be changed. Describe the Polaroid as having a classic white border and a bit of natural wear, like a real print. Then, add that the Polaroid photo is being held casually by a hand in front of a camera, shown with a slight perspective, in a dark room. Ask that the lighting and perspective match the scene so the grip looks natural. Once your prompt is in, submit it and wait patiently while Gemini processes. Generation can take a moment, and it's normal for the first preview to appear before refining into the final version. Avoid clicking multiple times, just let it finish. When it's done, you'll see your uploaded photo reimagined as a Polaroid, complete with the classic border, subtle wear, and the look of being held in a dimly lit environment with flash. That's all you need to convert your photo into a Polaroid style with Gemini. Follow these steps, keep your prompt precise, and let the tool do the heavy lifting. Enjoy your retro result.